Hey there, awesome people! Welcome to WowSphere, the place where mind-blowing discoveries meet epic adventures. Today, we're diving into something insanely cool: how your body turns into a superhero fortress and why vaccines are the ultimate cheat code against invisible villains, viruses. Ever wondered what's happening inside you when a virus sneaks in? How a tiny shot can make you invincible like Iron Man? Or why vaccinated kids are out there living their best lives while viruses cry in defeat? Buckle up, because this journey's gonna blow your mind and make you say, "Holy cow, my body's a legend." Hit that play button, let's roll! First up, picture your body as an epic castle, guarded by an army called the immune system. When you're chilling, eating pizza, binge-watching Netflix, everything's golden. But then, BM! A sneaky virus crashes the party, maybe the flu from your friend's loud achoo in class. If you haven't gotten a vaccine, your immune army is like rookie soldiers: no training, no clue, swinging sticks instead of swords. Meanwhile, the virus is a pro. It hijacks your cells, multiplies like crazy, think thousands in hours, and turns your body into a war zone. You start heating up with a fever, coughing like a broken engine, and crashing on the couch, too tired to even grab the remote. Those weak antibodies tried to fight, but they're outnumbered. The virus might win, leaving you sick for days or worse. Scary stuff, right? But hold on, the plot twist is coming! Now enter the game changer, the vaccine. Think of it as the ultimate coach for your immune system. It slips in a harmless version of the virus, like a dummy from a video game, maybe a tiny piece of the measles bug, totally safe, no damage. This lets your antibodies train like champs. They learn the enemy's face, master their moves, and bulk up for battle. It's like boot camp for your body. So when the real virus shows up, say, from that guy coughing on the bus, your antibodies turn into Avengers. They're fast, fierce, and unstoppable, surrounding the virus, locking it down, and blasting it to bits before it can even blink. Your cells stay safe, the virus gets wrecked, and you're out there skateboarding or crushing it at karaoke, no clue a war just happened inside you. Vaccines are basically your body's secret weapon. How cool is that? And here's the grand finale. Once vaccinated, your immune system gets a memory upgrade, like a superhero with a photographic brain. Your antibodies keep a wanted list. Oh, this flu guy again? I smashed him last winter. So when that virus dares to return, maybe during flu season, it's game over before it starts. Antibodies spot it instantly, charge in like ninjas, and wipe it out faster than you can say sneeze. The virus is like, wait, what? I'm toast already? While your immune team high-fives in victory. You're just chilling, maybe dancing at a picnic or slurping ice cream, totally unbothered, because your body's now a virus-killing machine. Thanks to vaccines, you're protected season after season, living your best life. So, there you have it, folks. Your body's a total rock star, and vaccines are the VIP pass to kicking virus butt. From rookie fighters to unstoppable heroes, isn't that wild? Drop a comment. What blew your mind the most? Smash that like button if you're amazed, share this with your squad, and subscribe for more epic science vibes. See you in the next video. Stay awesome!